The Mandela effect is a fascinating phenomenon where large groups of people remember the same event, quote or detail incorrectly, often with total confidence. It gets its name from the widespread belief that Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, even though he actually passed away in 2013 after serving as South Africa's president. This isn't just about one historical mix-up. Examples are everywhere, from people insisting the Berenstain Bears were always spelled Berenstein, to false memories of a non-existent movie called Shazam starring Sinbad, or thinking the Monopoly Man has a monocle when he never did. Psychologists explain that the Mandela effect is rooted in the way our brains reconstruct memories, filling in gaps with what seems logical or familiar, and how easily our memories can be influenced by others, especially in the age of the internet, where false information spreads rapidly and communities form around shared misconceptions. But for some, the Mandela effect hints at something much stranger. There's a theory that these shared false memories are actually artifacts from alternate realities or parallel timelines, moments where our collective consciousness has shifted from one version of reality to another. This is where the idea of field consciousness comes in. The notion that our minds are not isolated, but part of a unified field that shapes and is shaped by collective awareness and frequency. According to this theory, when enough people remember something a certain way, it can influence which timeline becomes dominant, effectively collapsing possibilities into a new shared reality, like a wave in the ocean becoming a single crest. As our awareness evolves, the theory suggests we become more attuned to these glitches in reality, noticing how past, present, and future can intermingle, and how our collective choices might actually steer the course of what we experience as history. While mainstream science points to memory errors, priming, and the contagious nature of misinformation as the cause of the Mandela effect, the idea that our consciousness is part of a larger field, capable of influencing reality itself, adds a layer of mystery that keeps people searching for deeper answers. Whether you see it as a quirk of the brain or a sign of hidden dimensions, the Mandela effect is a powerful reminder of how fragile and strange our sense of reality can be.